Hey everybody, it's Mark Schultz, and I'm back here at the MRO Americas 2023. We're here in Atlanta, and it's been very, very exciting because I've been meeting with people that are really making a big impact in the industry. And when I talk to people, I like to share information about them. So I'd like to introduce somebody to you and talk a little bit about the problems that are in the industry and what they're doing to help us to solve these things in the industry. So let me start off by introducing John. John, can you tell everybody just who you are and what do you do real quick?
Sure. My name is John Benscheitz. I work for Jet Parts Engineering. I'm the president of our PMA division.
Yeah, good, fantastic. Well, let's just start off by saying, really, what is Jet Parts? I mean, what do they do? Just give people a little bit more of a description of who it is.
Yeah, so we're primarily a PMA provider with PMAs and DERs, essentially alternatives to OEM product.
Okay, good. That's a good start. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to ask you a few questions. I'd like to better understand kind of what's happening in the industry. Now, if I take a look at the challenges we have in the industry today and where some of the challenges are, parts are certainly, a challenge in the industry in some different areas, which we can talk about. But let me start off by just asking, this question is that what do you see as some of the biggest challenges that exist out there today with respect to parts in the industry today?
I mean, first and foremost is part availability. Absolutely. I think that airlines are constantly struggling to just keep their operational efficiency happening and getting their airplanes in the air. And with supply chain challenges right now, I think that getting those parts into their shops, into the airplanes themselves, and getting those airplanes in the air.